Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Chronograph quartz watch. This can also be used for other regular watches as well as mechanical watches. You need to apply two principles when you are setting the time and date. The first one is going to be to set your watch at 6:30. You always want to have your watch hands in the lower part of the dial because usually the date can engage between 9 and 12 o'clock and 12 and 3 o'clock. And if you change the date while the date wheel is engaged, you can actually break the date wheel. So as you can see, when I go past 12 o'clock, here we only have the date complication, so we don't have the day of the week as well, and you can already see that the date wheel has engaged between 9 and 12 o'clock, and after 12 it will fully change. In case you also have the day complication, so a date complication, usually it is going to change between 12 and 3 o'clock, or sometimes even between 12 and 5 o'clock in case you have a double language day of the week date wheel. So now what we want to do, as I mentioned, is to set the watch at 6:30. As you can see, both of the watch hands are in the lower part of the dial. Now, the second thing is that when you want to set the time and date, is that you want to set the date one day prior to your actual end goal. So let's say that my end goal is going to be the 15th. I'm going to make it the 14th, and then I'm going to pull the crown to the last position. I will go with the watch hands manually past 12 o'clock in order to know whether I am AM or PM until the date changes. When the date changes, you will be AM on your desired date. I'm also going to show you that. On this particular chronograph watch, we also have military time right here, so we have a subdial for the military time, but most of chronograph watches won't feature this one, or in case you have a simple display, so no chronograph complication and only the date complication, that is something that you will need to do. So I'm going to pull the crown to the first position, and if I rotate the watch crown in a clockwise direction, so upwards, it is going to change the date. In case you have a date complication, if you rotate the watch crown in the opposite direction, it is going to change the day of the week. Now, as I mentioned, my end goal is to make it the 15th, so I'm going to leave it at the 14th. Now I'm going to pull the crown to the last position. You can see that this movement has a hacking as well because the seconds hand has stopped. And now I'm going to go with the watch hands past 12 o'clock. Now nothing is going to change because we were AM, so I need to go past 12 o'clock once again, and right now the date is going to change and it is going to be the 15th, and it is going to be AM. So let's say I want to make it 6 AM, so 6 in the morning. I would leave it here at 6 AM and I would push the crown and I am done. I am on the 15th and now it is 6 AM. In case I want to make it 6 PM, I'm going to pull the crown to the last position and I'm going to move the watch hands past 12 o'clock once again. As you can see, the date is still the 15th, and now I'm going to make it 6 PM. So 6 in the afternoon, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and now I am done. So that is why you want to set the date one day prior to the actual end goal. This tutorial is going to apply, as I mentioned, to mechanical watches as well. Make sure to set the time at 6:30. This is going to be your first step. In this way, we are going to protect the date wheel, and then you are going to pull the crown to the first position, and you are going to set your date one day prior. Then you are going to pull the crown to the last position and you are going to go manually past 12 o'clock, and you are going to arrive on your desired date, and you are going to choose between AM and PM. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. It really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. And also guys, if you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of a chronograph watch, also how to read the tachymeter, I have a full guide, link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out, or you can also click on the link right here on the top right corner. Also, if you would like to purchase a vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, link in the description box below, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one.